The Aston Martin Valhalla, a machine that doesn't simply arrive, it descends. It carries the energy of something foretold long before it existed, something born from equal parts obsession and rebellion. Aston Martin wanted to create more than a hypercar. They wanted to create a declaration. And with the Valhalla, they finally said it out loud. We are no longer following. We are leading. Stand in front of it, and you understand exactly what that means. The nose is low and aggressive, like a predator frozen in the moment just before the strike. Every contour of the hood channels air like a sculptor guiding water across stone. The headlights flash with a cold, deliberate confidence. A reminder that elegance can be dangerous too. There's no wasted line, no decorative flair. The front is pure purpose-shaped into beauty. From the side, the Valhalla feels alive. The cabin is compact, wrapped tightly inside the carbon fiber shell, as if the air itself shaped the car's form. The massive side intakes breathe in the surrounding atmosphere like lungs readying for battle. And the stance, wide, grounded, and perfectly balanced, gives the car a sense of readiness, a quiet tension like a coiled spring. It doesn't need to move to show speed. The design alone tells you it was built for moments when physics begins to bend. Walk to the rear, and this is where the story changes from luxury to pure menace. The floating wing reacts to the wind with an intelligence you can almost feel. The high-mounted dual exhausts spit fire like the engines of a jet fighter. The diffuser is so massive, so unapologetically aggressive, it feels like it belongs on a car that should only exist on a racetrack. In the back, the Valhalla sheds all restraint. This is where you see its truth, a machine made for performance so extreme, it borders on obsession. Step inside and the world narrows. The cockpit is intentionally intimate, drawing your attention forward like a pilot preparing for liftoff. Everything is driver-focused. The floating screens, the race-inspired steering wheel, the deeply contoured seats that hold your body with absolute authority. And yet, despite the track-focused layout, you never lose the Aston Martin signature. The leather is soft. The stitching is deliberate. The carbon fiber feels refined, not raw. It's a fusion of precision and pleasure, a reminder that performance doesn't need to feel punishing. Then comes the moment the Valhalla wakes up. A twin-turbo V8, assisted by electric motors, producing nearly 1,000 horsepower. The hybrid system isn't there to save fuel, it's there to amplify violence. When you press the throttle, the response is instant, brutal, clean. The electric motors fill every gap in power delivery, creating a seamless rush that feels less like acceleration and more like teleportation. The engine screams with sharp intensity, the kind that sends chills up your spine. This isn't a car moving fast, it's a machine deleting distance. But speed is only half the story. The Valhalla's chassis, shaped with real Formula One input, gives it an almost unsettling level of stability. It corners with a precision that feels unnatural. It changes direction like it weighs nothing. And yet, it remains predictable, communicative, beautifully balanced. The harder you push it, the better it becomes. It's one of the few hypercars that doesn't feel like it's trying to kill you. Instead, it feels like it's trying to teach you. The Valhalla doesn't represent the future of Aston Martin. It is the future of Aston Martin. A hypercar where engineering and artistry don't fight each other, they elevate each other. A machine that honors legacy while refusing to be trapped by it. A statement that speed, beauty, and innovation can coexist without compromise. And if this is what Aston Martin is doing now, imagine what comes next. If this journey pulled you in, don't forget to subscribe, because the future we're heading toward is only getting faster.